I used to spend hours a day trading crypto manually, reading charts, watching YouTube tutorials, chasing news and rumors. And after all of that, I was barely breaking even. Then one day, I asked myself the question that changed everything. What if I could automate this? Not just set up a bot and pray, but actually use a system that's been tested, structured, and built for results? That's when I discovered something called the crypto code. And it flipped the game for me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what it is, how it works, and why I don't trade manually anymore, because I found something better. Let's start with the truth. Most crypto traders lose money. They think more effort equals more results, but in crypto, it often means more mistakes, more stress, and more burnout. The crypto code is the first system I've used that didn't just give me tools, it gave me a plan. Here's how it works. First, there's WaveBot, an automated crypto trading bot that runs in the background 24/7. You set it up once, and it scans for high probability trades so you don't have to. Next, you get premium trade alerts, signals with entry and exit points, stop loss levels, and a win rate over 84%. You can literally copy and paste them into your exchange. No more guessing. No more watching candles all day. You also get access to a full crypto university with over 90 lessons, plus access to the actual portfolio of Joel and Adam, the creators behind the system. You get to see what they're holding, when they buy, when they sell, and why. And most importantly, you get support. A private group, coaches, help desk, live streams. That's something no other program ever gave me. If you're like me and you're done with guessing, burnout, and losing more often than you win, then I want you to check this out for yourself. I put together a free guide to show you exactly how to automate your first crypto campaign in just 1 hour, even if you're brand new. You'll find the download link in the description. This PDF breaks down the system, shows you how it works, and gives you a step-by-step process to follow. It's 100% free, and it might just change how you trade crypto forever. Download it now, and I'll see you on the inside.